I learned coding as a mechanical student. But how? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Manjunath Reddy. In this video, I am going to talk about how to learn coding as a non-technical student. Being a non-technical student, it is very hard to learn coding. I know it because I am a mechanical student, but I want to learn coding. Being a mechanical student, it is very hard to me to learn the coding. But also I have learned coding. I have learned Python and C++ and C. So in my first year, we have a C language in our syllabus. So we learn the C language from our college aluminum. And after I learned the Python programming and C++ programming in my own. So if you want to learn coding as a non-technical student, I am going to tell that how can you get started. So firstly, choose a programming language. There are many programming languages like C++, C, Java, Python, and you can learn any of that. I recommend you to go with Python because Python is a very easy language and a beginner friendly language. If you don't know anything about coding and you are a completely beginner to the coding, then you can easily understand the Python programming language rather than other programming languages like C, C++, Java. So after choosing a programming language, you will have to go to the next step, which is find two resources to learn from. In my case, when I started learning coding, I have taken the Python course from the Udemy. There are many courses which are available for free on internet. But if you are a beginner, better go with the paid courses because you can learn more structurally rather than free courses in YouTube. The next step is practice. The best way to learn the coding is actually to write a code because when you start learning coding, you have watching all the tutorials, and also you can understand all the coding lectures. But when you are started writing the code, you can't write the code because you didn't practice it. Because practicing is very important in coding, because if you don't practice enough, you can't solve the problems which is based on the programming language. I have faced this problem. So if you are watching free tutorials or paid courses, better to write the code and actually practice the coding. So if you want to practice the coding problems, you can go to some online websites like HackerRank and Geeks, which are very useful to learn the coding because you can practice your problems on that website where you have learned the concepts you have in your paid courses. After watching some lectures on the topic, go to that website and practice some problems on the topic so you can get the complete knowledge about the topic. So as a non-technical student, it is very hard to learn to code, but you can actually try and actually learn to code because there are many free resources and online tutorials which are available to learn coding. So you can learn anything in online for free. So if you actually learn to code, but if you are any non-technical student, you can definitely learn coding and get into the software field. And if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you next video.